We obviously start like every month with our 0 to 100 show, the show that you are enjoying right now live, and this is not pre-recorded, so you are always welcome to join us, interact with us on the chat, and share your thoughts, your suggestions, your requests. We're always happy to have you. Then we have on December the 4th, we're going to have another live show, and this time is going to be off the record. Stories behind the grooves. This is a nice series of live shows dedicated to tales, stories that comes from guests that visit us here at XYZ. And this week we're going to have Loris Altafini and Daniele De Marchi from More Than House Records. There's a lot planned for this episode. It's going to be beautiful. There's going to be a lot of stories that are going to be shared, and stories that probably you have never heard. So tune in December the 4th. Then on December the 10th, we're gonna have another episode of Off the Record. This time we're gonna have guest Pauls, the magic duo from Conegliano. You probably already know them for their DJ sets and their productions. They're gonna join us live. They're gonna bring us up to speed on what's going on in their creative universe, so do not miss that on December the 10th. On the 13th, we're going to have our digital party, XYZ Digital Party. This is a party that has a limited number of entries. So if you are interested in joining us live for this event from wherever you are, whatever country you are connecting from, whatever device you are going to be used, you are welcome. Just get in touch with us, sending us a direct message on our social channels at ModeZeroOfficial. And we're going to be happy to share more information about this. It's going to be a long one because it's going to start from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central European Time. Exclusive for those who will register. XYZ Private Digital Party. December 19th, we're going to have the premiere of Illazy, recorded at the basement in beautiful Belluno in the middle of the Alps, in this underground crib packed with a great sound system, where he performed a DJ set, and we are going to stream it live on December the 19th, 8:30 p.m. Central European Time. On the 20th of December, there's going to be another event here at XYZ in the real world, in Conegliano, in Italy. And also here is going to be an invite-only event. So if you're interested in joining us, get in touch via DM for info and location. And we're going to close the month with a back-to-back set played by Barbe and Koratz from the Plastic Cuts and Plastic Box team. It's going to be a 2-hour vinyl set, back-to-back. It's an amazing premiere, recorded at the basement in Belluno with the help of Illazy. Do not miss them to close this year with a bomb back-to-back set.